New 2025 GYTR bodywork with MotoGP-inspired downforce winglets. The R1 GYTR is supplied with a lightweight glass fiber carbon reinforced race cowling, specifically developed for easy installation and optimized aerodynamics, the MotoGP-style aerodynamic. R1 GYTR, powered to race. The R1 GYTR features the remarkable 998cc 4-cylinder CP4 crossplane engine, which is a direct descendant of the MotoGP winning M1 race bike. Its uneven firing sequence delivers linear torque for outstanding performance and high levels of rear-wheel traction and, combined with its sophisticated GYTR programmable ECU, enables you to push even harder to the checkered flag. GYTR stands for Genuine Yamaha Technology Racing, which means each part has been developed by a team of professional race technicians. The new R1 GYTR is a fully prepared track-only superbike that is supplied to you in a race-ready specification. Equipped with a smart package of necessary track parts and performance-enhancing racing components, this track machine is ready to take you to the next level. GYTR electronics package. The R1 GYTR is equipped with a lightweight GYTR wire harness and GYTR programmable ECU, which allow you to set up your bike to achieve the best performance. Ride-by-wire APS-G throttle. The Yamaha chip-controlled throttle, YCCT, is activated by a high-tech twist grip assembly that gives a natural feeling for precise control. Featuring a spring, slider and gear that give a smooth and progressive feel, the lightweight ride-by-wire APS-G, accelerator position sensor grip, twist grip gives instant throttle response. GYTR chassis parts. The R1 GYTR's race-ready specification includes race handlebars and racing rear sets for ultimate body position and controllability. New generation KYB front forks. New 43mm KYB inverted front forks have been fully redesigned and now feature individual adjusters for rebound and compression damping on the left and right fork tube, with two-way adjustment. Next level front Brembo braking. Performance responsive and high-performing. The new front braking system featuring Brembo master cylinder and Styling calipers take the R1 GYTR's stopping power to the next level, combined with Brembo's Z04 racing pads for increased braking performance. A Krapovic race muffler with mid-damper system. A titanium Krapovic exhaust, featuring new mid-muffler system, for optimized power output and controlled noise output.